This is Mark from the Geek Church here, and we've got this great product from J5Create, the JTSA302. This is the Ergonomic dual monitor mount with docking station. We're going to open her up and try her out and give a nice review right after this. Okay, when I said give a nice review, I meant like both allowed to give a review that's nice. I don't like giving bad reviews to products, and with J5Create, their products have a really good track record. We reviewed a lot of their products on there, and you should definitely like and subscribe if you want to hear more. For now, let's just open her up and see what is in the box. Okay, let's see. Got a nice handle on top. I like that. A product that has a handle is always getting points for good efforts. Alright, so what do we see on top? Quite a bit of stuff. And I'm trying, let's see, how can we get a good angle on this? Like this. Alright. Okay, so we got some instructions here. This looks like a USB-C to USB-C cable. This looks like one of the setup pieces. And this looks like another setup piece. It's pretty clear these X's on there, they're meant to hold monitors. So yeah. And we have, oh hey, okay, this is good. This is what I was hoping to see. Essentially, alright, here's what obviously is supposed to happen. This thing, alright, basically these little things mount on this. Here. Oh, also there's some ports on here, which I like. There's an SD card port. There are 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, plus an HDMI port on each side, plus an Ethernet port, plus another, let's see, host. Okay, so that's the host we'll be using on this. Power in. Alright, so there must be a power cord here somewhere. And let's just see where it is. Yep. Actually, I can't really find the power cord, but I'm sure it's in here somewhere. There's also these 2 legs, I think. Not really sure what this is supposed to do. Maybe it holds this thing up somehow. Hang on, I'm going to get some clarification. Okay, there doesn't seem to be a power cord here on this, which I find odd. I think the best thing I can do is kind of set it up to show it working, because yeah, I don't see a better way to do that, honestly. So, alright, let's just, we'll cut to something else. Okay, I've hooked this thing up here. This thing requires like a bolt that you got to put in here and then secure it with this, which I did. And then these things secured to the monitors here. I wish I could hook them up and show you, but unfortunately this requires this is HDMI, and these things are not HDMI. These are just some old ones I had lying around, but I thought I'd show you what it looks like. Yeah, so let's get a better shot of it from the front, maybe. All right. Okay, so now you got yourself a good workstation here. I wish I had a better example to show this here. Wish my workplace is a little bit less messy, but when you review products for a living, that's what you do. Okay, I think earlier I mentioned I had an issue with this power supply here, which I'm going to show you here. Basically, see where that USB-C cable is connected? That's connected to my laptop, and there's a memory card there that I use there, and so I can also use the ports. So we got that. Very ingenious. Okay, all in all, I'm very satisfied with this product here. And if you want to get this, I'm going to drop the price right here. And yeah, we're going to be reviewing more J5Create products in the future. So for now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.